Hi there, students. Okay, the prefix neo. This means new or contemporary. So, for example, a neologism. This is a new word that's been invented. Yeah? So, neologism, logism from speak or words. Neonatal, okay, a newly born baby. You could have neoclassical architecture. So classical architecture would be Greek or Roman architecture. And then neoclassical is of the new age, or a new version of it, a contemporary version thereof. So yes, a neo-modern picture or a neo-modernist picture. So this is the new version of modernist. Okay, what's contemporary nowadays? You could have a neo-fascist, somebody who is the new wave of it, a new or revived form of it. So the building has Neo-Georgian architecture. So Georgian was of 1790, for example. Yeah, but this is a new version of it. Okay, so neo, this is talking about new things, is a new version of something old. You normally add neo to nouns and adjectives, yeah, particularly with styles and political groups that existed in the past. So this is a neo-socialist party, so a new version of the socialists, or how socialism is interpreted nowadays. It's a more modern form of something. Neo-colonial. So neo-colonialism, I think, is using money and power to tell other countries what to do without actually going there and occupying the place. Neolithic. So, Neolithic, the new Stone Age. Yeah, the most recent. So, maybe there were various Stone Ages, but the Neolithic is the newest of those. Okay, you can actually also in chemistry use it to talk about a compound that's related to another one. Yeah, but it's something new, recent, revived, a neo-Darwinistic theory. Yeah, the new way of looking at evolution of species. Okay, so neo is something new, something that's happened again. Yeah, that's come back. It's a fashion that has come back, or particularly, as well as I said, for a political party. It's been revived effectively. So this is easy to remember, like Neo, as in the film Matrix. I think his name is Neo because he's new to the place. He's just come to the place, and then he causes all sorts of different problems. Okay, so Neo, yeah. I don't know, a neo-atheist, neo-atheist, the new view on atheism. Let's see, neo. I think this word, as a prefix, normally this gives a little bit of extra formality. Yeah, I think new style I might use more informally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the Greek word neos, meaning new or young. Okay, a neophyte, a new follower of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The prefix neo.